Good morning, students, and welcome back again. Today, again, I am here with your English prime book. Now, we'll start new chapter. Your new chapter is chapter number 4. It's a poem, and name of the poem is In the Park. Children, name of the poet is not given. Who has written this poem? It's not given. So, no problem. We'll read the poem. Let's start. See what's given. Dolly goes to the park with her friends to play and enjoy herself. Let us read a poem about what Dolly loves to do in the park. Dolly is a girl who, with her friends, used to play and enjoy. Now, every day, she used to go to the park and she loves to go there. Why? What she does there? Let's see. But for that, we have to read the poem. So let's start the poem. I love to play all through the day in the park before it is dark. I love the swing, it gives me wings. I swing so high to reach the sky. I smell the flowers for long hours, their colors so bright shine in the sunlight. Now, what Dolly does in the park? What Dolly loves to do? See, Dolly loves to play all through the day. All through the day means the whole day. The whole day, Dolly loves to play. Where? In the park. She used to love to play in the park before it is dark. But means before the night starts, before the night falls, before that she used to love to play in the park the whole day. Now, what she loves there? I love the swing. It gives me wings. I swing so high to reach the sky. I love the swing. Swing you might be all knowing. Swing is something which is hanging with the help of a rope, something which is hanging with the help of a rope, and by sitting on that we used to go backward and forward. It seems that we are going in the sky. So Dolly loves to sit on that swing. It seems that the swing has given her wings because she goes high up in the sky. It seems that with the help of the wings she will reach in the sky. So she loves to swing. I smell the flowers for long hours, their colors so bright shine in the sunlight. Also, she loves to smell the flowers. She loves it so much that for long hours she can smell the flowers. She also loves its colors because their colors are bright and in the sunlight it used to shine. So, Dolly loves to smell the flowers. I go round and round on the merry-go-round. It is a funny ride, better than a slide. Dolly also loves to sit on merry-go-round. Merry-go-round is also a slide on which she used to move round and round. It's a fun ride but it is better than slide. It is fun to try to catch a butterfly. I aim up high, but it disappears in the sky. Next, the funny thing she do is catch a butterfly. Catching a butterfly keeps her aim high. Her aim means to point at the target, and the target is to catch the butterfly. You might have seen that the butterfly used to fly upwards and upwards and upwards. And for catching that, to catch that, we have to jump high and high and high. So Dolly also tries to catch the butterfly. Her aim is to catch the butterfly, but it disappears in the sky. But the butterfly flew high and lastly it disappears, means it's go out of the sight. Now we can't see it. I love to play all through the day in the park before it is dark. That's why Dolly loves to play in the park the whole day. The whole day she used to love to play in the park before it is dark, before the night starts. What all things Dolly does in the park we have seen in the poem. It's very interesting, it's very enjoyable, and it's very funny. That's why Dolly want to spend all her day in the park. Now some difficult words are there. First one, through, THROUGH, through. Second one, swing, SWING. Third, reach, RESCH. Fourth, hours, HOURS. Fifth, bright, BRIGST. Sixth, shine, SHINE. Seventh, better, BETTER. Eighth, catch, CATCH. Ninth, aim, AIM. And 10, disappears, DISAPPEARS, disappears. Next is word meaning. First is aim. Aim means point at the target. And second is disappears. Disappears, goes out of the sight. Means now we can't see more. Next, some homework also I have given. First is read the poem carefully and learn it. You have to read the poem and you have to learn it also. Second is learn all the difficult words with spelling. Whatever difficult words I have given, you have to learn it, learn all the words with spelling. And third one, write in a copy what all things we find in the park. Whatever things, whatever items we find in a park, you have to write it in a copy. We find many types of swings, we find benches, trees, flowers, whatever things we see in the park, you have to write in a copy. Thank you.